Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and today's date is 3rd of August 2K27. So today our video topic is what is array list and what is linked list in Java. So let us discuss first what we are going to discuss in this video topic. So first of all we will see array what is array list in Java, and then we will see some methods used in array list. By moving forward, we will see what is linked list in Java and the methods used in linked list. So let us start with what is array list in Java. So array array list is a part of collection framework and it is present in a Java util package. It provides us it provides us the dynamic array in Java. Though it may be slower than the standard array, it can be helpful in programming where where lots of manipulation where lots of manipulation in the array is needed. This class is found in Java util package. So let us see some methods using array list. The first is add object method. This method is used to add an element at the end of the array list or at at the last index of the array list where we can find null. The second method is add int index and object. This method is used to add an element at the specific index in the array list. Then the third method is clone method. This method is used to give the shadow copy of the array list. Then fourth method is set set index or object method. In this method we can set the element. In this method we can change the element at the specific index. Then the next method is remove method. In remove object method, the remove object method is used to remove an object. If there is multiple object in the array list, then it will it will remove the first axis element, specific element. Then the next method is remove index method. This method is used to remove the object at specific index. Means we can access the index and we can remove the element stored in the at that index. Then the next method is get int index method. This method is used to get the element at a specific index, to get the specific element at the index. uh, Next method is clear method. The clear method is used to remove all the elements from the list. By using this method we can remove all the elements from the list. Now the next method is ensure capacity int require or int require capacity method. This method is used to enhance the capacity of an array list instantly. Now the next method is empty method. This method is used to check whether the list is empty or not. If the list is empty, it will return in boolean true, and if there is some element stored in the list, then it will return false and returns the object stored at the last index. Now moving forward to the next topic, which is linked list in Java. So basically, what is linked list in Java? So linked list is also a part of a collection framework present in Java util package. This class is an linked list that implementation of linked list data structure, which is a linear data structure where the elements are not stored continuous where the elements are not stored in continuous location, and every element is a separate object with a data part and address part. So the method used in linked list are: first is add method. So this method is used to add an element at the end of the linked list, or it is used to add the element at the end of the linked list. Then second is add int index or object. This method is used to add an element at a specific index in the linked list. The next method is set method. This method can change the element. Method is used to change the element at the specific index. The next method is remove method. This method is used to remove an element from a linked list. By using this method, we can remove the object as well as we can remove the whole index of linked list. The now next method is get method. Get method is used to get the element at a specific index. Then the next method is clear method. Clear method is used to remove all the elements from the index or the list. Now this next method is clone method. In the clone method is used to get the return as a shadow copy of the list. Means we can get the duplicate copy of the list. Now the next method is add first method. Add first method in linked list is used to insert the given element at the beginning of the list. Means we can add the element at the beginning of the at the first position of the list. Now the next method is add last method. It is the vice versa of add first method. Means we can, if we want to add the element at the last of the list, then we can use this method. It will add our element at the last position in the list Then our next method is contents object method. This method is used to check whether the element is present in the list or not. It will returns in boolean booleans true or false. If the element is present, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Then the next method is get last method. This method is used to return last element in the list. It will give the last element present at the list. So this is the methods of linked list. So in this way, today we have covered array list, methods of array list and methods used in linked list in Java. Thank you.